well, I'll finish mixing the color I'm going to use for the base coat basically. It's just going to be a light gray, and then I'll add kind of other tones to it and build it up a bit. I just hooked up the airbrush, plugged in the little air compressor, just made myself some little templates that I used to, you know, spray around things. I am by no means a professional airbrusher. I just started doing this maybe 2 Halloweens ago. So I'm still new to all the techniques, so if you want to learn how to do it, I would highly recommend looking up some people on YouTube that really know what the hell they're doing. But I've been faking it pretty good. Last year's zombie, I think, turned out really well as far as the color and everything in the end, and you can check that out on the YouTube channel, so they're all up there from last year. Alright, so you can load the gun and start spraying the torso and hope everything goes well. We'll see. Okay, so there we go. Base coat of paint is on. I always go with kind of a light gray, and then I come back with a dark gray at first and kind of go in through all the little dents and that to make things pop. But now you can see the skin a lot better now that it's got some paint on it and some of the bones are showing through. Gives you a little bit more idea what the detail is like. I think it turned out really well. Actually, I'm quite happy with the skin on this one. So like I said, yeah, once this dries, I gotta get the skull first coated and the arms first coated. And once that's done, then I'll mix up a darker gray and we'll go with the second coat of paint. And then we'll mix up probably a greeny brown, I think I'm gonna go with this year, as opposed to a reddy brown last year with the other one, just to differentiate them a little bit. And then, of course, at the very end, just some black highlights here and there for the shadows. And so another few hours of painting, and I think this is probably ready to start the mechanics. Cool, yeah, like I said, I'm really happy with the way that turned out. I think the skin looks fantastic this year. Cool, alright, on the next step.